Today is Sunday and we are hiking in Many Glacier National Park, going to some waterfalls. Probably about a 4-kilometer hike or so. I think we're probably getting close, about halfway done now. Going back from our hike, because I have to look at this tree. It's kind of bizarre. Yeah, go ahead. Huckleberry milkshake with raspberry rhubarb pie. Huckleberry pie? Nice. How is it?
Very good. Excellent.
And yours?
Very good.
Raspberry cream. Delish.
That's the place we got the pie from, Park Cafe in St. Mary's. Pretty good. A little pricey though, especially for America. We're just back up top having a look at the forest fire today. Let's see what the updates say. 520 personnel, 12 engines, 7 helicopters, and multiple shared resources. Oh, that's intense. Well, the forest fire is only about 4 miles away from our camp. And we're only staying here one more day. So today is Sunday. It's our last full day here in Montana. Yesterday, really didn't do too much. Went out hiking. It was so bloody hot. It was like 33 degrees. Went to town, got a pie, eat. And then I drank a few beers, and we went up and photographed the forest fire after that. But other than that, kept it pretty low key. Some idiot when we were out there taking pictures was fucking pulled up in his car, and we're a little ways in the woods. And he starts yelling bear, then fucking peels off in his car, but there's nothing there, like fuck all. We're just like, really? But we're gonna get loaded up in the boat and then we're gonna fucking head out. Out on the kayak on Many Glaciers, and it is absolutely breathtaking here on the water. Straight ahead where the bridge is, there's like a waterfall there. There's the hotel right on the lake. That'd be gorgeous to stay. We're just cruising down the lake, just over across the bend. We're gonna see how far down we can go. Almost looks like there's a dock or something way down there. I'm not too sure. We'll have to investigate. Looks like they might have little hiking tours or something, because that boat seems to drive to that dock, drop some people off, people get on, boat will take off. Must be a little hiking trail. Must be something cool for people to use the little shuttle boat. It's at the far end of the lake. That side doesn't look as pretty as the side we're on. But just cruising close to shore in a nice shade out of the sun. And just gonna cruise around the corner here and see what awaits us. This side we got some cabins, an old dock, pretty sketchy to stand on, I think. There's hiking trails all along there. People are out and about. We're now coming up to the hotel side. And up by the bridge there's some waterfalls. We'll have to avoid that. A little bit closer view of the hotel. Imagine rooms here are pretty expensive. I imagine they're pretty nice too. Beautiful day to be out on the kayak. Was feeling ill a little bit earlier today. Fucked bad guts or something. I don't know if it's just camp food all the time or what the hell, but I don't feel too bad now. Just enjoying being out on the lake, catching some sun. Last full day here, heading home tomorrow. That's pretty much that. Man, just look at this beautiful view here from my kayak. Wow. Man, we just finished kayaking around the lake, and I tell you, it was quite the experience. Probably one of the nicest lakes I've kayaked so far. Lots of scenery. Water was so calm today. No wind. Crystal clear. You can see the reflection of the mountains in the water. Lots of fish jumping wherever you went. Man, that was unreal. So nice. There's a good shot of the falls right there. Yeah, we just stopped on the side of the road just by many glaciers here, just having a look at the waterfalls right behind me, right there. Just kind of exploring if I don't slip and fall on these freaking rocks. Great day today. Yesterday I was kind of feeling kind of off. I'm not sure what the hell it was. If I was hungover from drinking too much in the afternoon by the river, or what the hell, but fuck, yesterday I just didn't really take out the camera. It was just, I had enough, and last full day here. It's another barn burner today. Just gonna head back to the campsite, start packing up some shit so we can get the fuck out of here early tomorrow morning. Last thing you want is to leave late in the day and get stuck at customs for hours, so we're just gonna head her out. And this side of the mountain looks like a desert compared to this side. That's all green and lush. There's Aubrey on the side of the cliff there. Got my truck parked up top. That is a nice view. Too bad there's no clouds, and too bad there's too much smoke from the fire, because coming out here would be a perfect place to do some time-lapse photography. Like, it's so scenic here, especially if you had a storm rolling over and you could capture the clouds in the mountains kind of swirling. Fuck, that would be epic. But didn't get lucky. I lucked out. Countdown is on. Aubrey's getting his shit loaded up. He's gonna get ready to leave soon. Our storage tent is packed up, put in the back of the truck. Just got our tent to pack up for tomorrow. Garbage in the fire pit to put away. Cooler drying out to put my Alaskan summer beers in. Got a cooler that's still full with motherfucking beers and waters and other sorts of shit. Did you have fun? Mm-hmm. So now I'm just gonna go drop off the wood over to Derek and Heather's campsite and see how Dave's making out doing gold panning in the river. Striking it rich, Dave?
Looks like I'm going to work on Monday.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
This is the day we're leaving. Smoke is so heavy you can't even see the mountains today.